Hey, what she look like, bro? Shawty press, shawty fine, yeah, face card valid, she gon' slay it every time. On the beat, it's out on the beat.
Goblins. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. I don't even want to tell how long it's been. But as I was washing my hair today, I thought that I would want to take you on this hair journey with me. The reason why I have decided to focus on this hair journey is because it is definitely a journey. It's a journey that African American women often find themselves on. And with us being on the journey, sometimes it is rewarding, and then sometimes it's so hard and discouraging. I am at a point that I'm feeling okay, right? I was at a point that I was very low about my hair. To take you back to that point, I had decided that I needed a change back in 2022, and I had decided to cut my hair off. And after more than a decade of being natural, I was going to have to go forward and place some perm in my hair with this style that I had foreseen in my head. So it was both a hasty decision and then something that at that time I felt like I needed. And I did it. And boy, I did it. Cut it. It was so, of course, fresh from the beauty salon. It was so cute. It was so cute. But what I found was that the hairstyle that I had gotten would require a lot of maintenance. Now, a lot of maintenance involved, not only the tie up at night, but the refresh of the curls in the morning and things like that. And then on top of that, I was going to have to be in that shop every 2 weeks minimum. And then because of my hair texture, which is a real true 4C hair texture, it did require for me to get retouches quite, often. So throughout that, probably within the year of me having my perm, I knew that I was looking for an escape route. The tragedy that happened, and this is not to offend anyone, but there were just some things that I experienced in the shop that kind of made me question maybe the person that was doing my hair to a degree. So this one time, it was time for perm to be applied to my hair, and because of the texture of my hair, they saw it fit for me to have the perm on my hair and to sit up under the dryer with the perm on my hair. And in my mind, I'm like, I know it's been more than a decade since I've had a perm, but is this a new technique? Did I speak up and say that? I didn't, but these were the thoughts that were going through my head. Needless to say, I believe because of that, it caused major damage to my hair. So much so that the top here, and what you can see is shorter than the other parts of my hair, was so thin. Yeah, this is me now. And when I tell you, like, in my mind, I know that hair loss is inevitable in some parts of your life. We shed hair all the time, right? But when I tell you, you could see my scalp, you could literally see my scalp. When I would wash it, I could see my scalp. And in my mind, I'm thinking, like, is this how I'm going to be for forever? Right then and there, I knew that I had to cease perms. It was not something that was conducive to any type of longevity and any type of, prospective hair growth, because I seen the evidence. And then to have a decision made like that was really a bad decision, that I shouldn't had let happen. But because I was out the game for so long, in my mind, I'm like, well, maybe this is something new. So we now see, to God be the glory, that we do have growth. You still see some of the ends that have the permed ends, but I am having you on this journey with me to see what's next. We know what is not next. We know I'm not perming my hair. We know that. That's not going to happen. But what is in store for this hair? So this is an example. Can you see the difference? Can you see how long that is compared to spots in the front? Because, baby, this... Some of my friends was like, you should have whooped her. I was trying to, I don't know. But anywho, I've been wearing my hair since I took my braids out last. I've been wearing it just in a small, tiny afro. And I have gotten some reviews. My family liked it, which was really good. I sincerely appreciated that. My son, he really knew the journey that I had, because his room is right across the hall, so he often comes and visit me and visit me. But when I had washed my hair and showed him the area that was so thin, which was right in here, that I didn't want to show him how upset I was, but he knew. He knew it was a bad situation. But so today I am going back to some braids, and so it's going to be probably some twists, and then after that, this is what I'm forecasting. So I have an event that I want to go to in May, and I know that I don't want to start the actual hair journey into potentially locks. Don't hold me to it because I'm scared, but I think that locks will be so rewarding that once they get to that stage that you're able to style them like you want to, that it will be really conducive to me, because I hate doing my hair. Did you hear me? I hate doing my hair. So that's not in my ministry. But I think that going into either a sister lock, only because even though it looks thick here, my hair is not, my hair is fine. And that's one of my reservations too that I'm concerned about, is will the weight of the, I don't know. Anywho. But yeah, so after May, I may start the journey of locking my hair. Fingers crossed. We'll see how this works out. But I just wanted to have you guys start this journey with me. If you have any suggestions, I am so open to those. Please, please, please. I know that my dentist, the beautiful Leah Tate, she is a lock sister, and of course, once she seen my hair when I came into the dentist office with my tiny afro, she was like, "Now, Deshauna, you know you should start to lock your hair." I knew he was gonna say that. And then one of my best friends, she too is locked. And she was like, "Oh, look," because she lives down in Texas, and she was like, "It looks as though your hair is getting really healthy." So, what's your end plan, Carolyn? You know that side. So what's the end deal? What are you gonna do with it? You know, because I believe she knows that I hate doing my hair. So yeah, that was her. So what are we gonna do from here? Right now, I washed my hair, and right now I'm just applying this instant conditioning by Iso Plus into my hair. It has aloe vera with tea tree oil. Softens, detangles, and moisturizes and conditioning to promote body volume and shine. So that's what I have. I'm applying into my hair right now. After this, I'm going to blow it out so that I can get ready to get it braided up, and I'll take you on that journey with me. See how the outcome comes. But yeah, this is it. This is the, what they say, the good, bad, and the ugly. This is it.
Blur out all the numbers.